welcome back. It's Johnson. Thank you so much for watching the time-lapse. I just cut it short and now I want to show you the editing process. So I have my iPhone and I've got the camera, the A7 III that I've shot on. I'm actually shooting with it right now. But the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to export the videos from the phone to Google Drive. And then from Google Drive, we're going to export those files to Adobe Premiere. And that's where we're going to make the time lapse. So now follow along and we're going to process the videos onto the computer. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to launch Google Drive. And once you've launched Google Drive, you want to upload the time lapses that you've shot with your phone. So I'm going to go to videos and I'm going to select the videos that I want to upload. And you just wait on that. It's going to upload to your Google Drive and then you're going to download it from your computer to or from your Google Drive to your computer. Alright, welcome back. So all of the content has been uploaded to Google Drive and I have downloaded to the desktop. I am now going to show you how easy it is to turn this footage into a time-lapse video for you to show to your friends and family. Alright, so check it out. Alright, so I have Adobe Premiere pulled up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close all projects. I'm going to open a new project. We're going to call it Time-Lapse Test 1. Okay, and at this point, it is as easy as taking the movie files that you've downloaded, and what we're going to do is we're literally going to drag them into your timeline. Now, how did I do that? I selected all of them. I'm dragging them. I Alt-Tab back into Premiere, and I just drop them in. As you can see, what I'm doing here is I'm right-clicking the clip and using speed/duration to edit the speed of the entire time-lapse. So for example, this one's taken a little while. I'll probably do 1000% of the actual speed to see what happens. This one's kind of cool, but it looks like it also needs to be sped up a little bit. Alright, so looks like we have pretty much everything in check. At the end, you want to click on this button here, which is the mark out, and that will give you your sequence in and sequence out. Alright, so I'm just going to show you here. You click File, Export, Media. You want to format H.264, output name. We're going to output as Time-Lapse Test 3. And then at this point, we just want to click Export, wait for it to encode, and you have your video. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and make sure to check out our other videos below. See you later.